kids, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. And welcome in our today's class. Today we will do our written revision of English. ठीक है? So all of you take out your rubber, pencil, all these things, and also open your notebook. Okay? Yes, let's come with me. What we will do first we will mention the date here. So all of you write the date first. Today is 10/02/22. Okay, now start our writing work. First we will mention our topic, that is revision. Revision. Okay, that is our English revision. Okay, yes, now start writing letters. हम कहाँ से कहाँ तक लिखेंगे letters? We will write the letters from A to M. Okay, yes. Sorry. Okay, so start writing. Start writing letters with me. First, write here letter A. How to write? We need two slanting lines from up to down and a small slipping line we will draw in the middle line. Okay? Yes. And tell me which letter will come after A? Letter B. How to draw? Draw a standing line. Again go upside. After that draw one right small curve from top to the middle, then again from middle to the bottom, again draw one more right small curve. Okay, yes. After B, which letter will come? Letter C will come. Okay, how to draw letter C? For making this letter we have to draw one left big curve. Okay, for making our letter C. And after C, which letter will come? D. How to draw letter D? Yes, for that you have to draw one standing line from top to the bottom, again go upside, and then draw one right big curve from top to the bottom that touch the standing line. Okay, so these are our letter A, B, C and D. Okay, then after D, which letter will come after D? Letter E. How to draw? First to draw one standing line. After that again go upside and draw three small slipping line. First on the first line, second on the second line and third on the third line. Okay, we will draw one standing line and three small slipping lines for making our letter E. Okay, after E which letter will come? E के बाद आता है लेटर F. ओके, F के लिए क्या करना है अब आपको? One standing line you have to draw. After that again go upside and draw one small slipping line on the first line. After that again come on the middle line and draw one more small slipping line on the middle line. Okay. So which letter is this, children? This is our letter F. Okay. Yes. F के बाद कौन सा लेटर आएगा? Letter G. E, F. Now G will come. Okay. So write the letter G here. How to draw? First make the letter C. Then go upside and touch the middle line. After that go inside. Then go outside. Then come down and touch the third line and stop there. Okay. So this is our letter G. G for grapes. Okay. Yes. Now tell me which letter will come after G. Yes. Letter H. H for house. How to draw letter H? For making this letter we have to draw first one standing line. After that by taking some gap again we will draw one more standing line from top to the bottom. Then on the middle line we have to draw one small sleeping line. Okay. That join the standing lines. Okay. So this is our letter H. Okay. Now tell me which letter will come after H? H के बाद आएगा letter I. First draw one standing line. After that again draw one small sleeping line on the first line across like this. Again come down and again draw one more sleeping line across from left to right like this. है ना? So this is our letter I. Okay. I के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है बताइए? I के बाद आता है लेटर J. J for jug. Okay. So write here letter J. How to draw? First make one small standing line. After that take a U curve. U curve. Okay. U curve and touch the middle line. After that again go upside and draw one small sleeping line on the top. Okay. For making letter J. Okay. Now tell me which letter will come after J. J के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है बताइए टीचर को? J के बाद आता है लेटर K. Okay. So write here letter K. How to draw? First draw one standing line. After that by taking some gap put one dot on the first line and again put one more dot on the third line by taking some gap. Then go upside on the first dot and come draw a left small slanting line from top to the middle and touch the standing line. After that don't pick up your pencil, then come down and draw one small right slanting line from middle to the bottom for making our letter K. Okay. This is our letter K. After making K we will draw our next letter, that is L. L for lion. First draw one standing line from top to the bottom. After that from there you have to draw one small sleeping line. Okay. So this is our letter L. L for lion. Yes. Then tell me which is our last letter, that is letter M. L के बाद कौन सा आता है? J I J K L M. Okay. So we will draw here letter M. For making this letter first we have to draw one standing line. After that by taking some gap again we will draw one more standing line. Then in between both the standing lines on the third line we put one dot. Okay. At the middle, and after that draw two slanting lines from up to from top to the bottom and touch the middle point. Okay, again come down from top to the bottom and touch the same dot. Okay, so this is our letter M. M for mango. Okay, so these are our letters from A to M. Again, once again speak out all the letters with me. This is A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. क्या होता है C for? C for cat. Then D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for house, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, and our last letter is M for mango or M for monkey. Okay, so these are our letters. So please children, do practice these letters at your home well. Okay, and now we will meet in our next class. Till then, bye bye to everyone. Okay.